Maintaining the appearance and integrity of your Austin property is essential, whether it's a commercial building or a residential property. Over time, the exterior surfaces of your property are exposed to dirt, grime, mold, mildew, algae, and environmental pollutants, all of which can detract from its curb appeal and, more importantly, its overall value. One of the most effective ways to maintain your property and prevent deterioration is through commercial pressure washing. Commercial pressure washing is a powerful cleaning technique that uses high-pressure water spray to remove built-up dirt, grime, and stains from a variety of surfaces, including siding, roofs, concrete, brick, and decks. In this article, we'll explore how commercial pressure washing helps protect and maintain the value of your property, ensuring it remains an attractive investment. Enhances curb appeal. First impressions are crucial, and the curb appeal of your property plays a significant role in how it's perceived by potential clients, customers, or even passers-by. A clean and well-maintained exterior gives the impression that the building or space is properly cared for, which is essential for businesses looking to attract customers and clients. Removes stubborn stains and dirt. Over time, dirt, dust, grease, and stains from things like car exhaust or spilled food can accumulate on your property's exterior surfaces. Commercial pressure washing can remove these stains, restoring the original appearance of your building. Whether it's the parking lot, storefront, or sidewalks, pressure washing helps keep your property looking fresh and inviting. Mold and mildew removal. In the humid Austin climate, mold and mildew can build up on surfaces, particularly on roofs, sidings, and concrete. Mold not only creates an unsightly appearance but can also lead to long-term damage to the building. Pressure washing removes mold and mildew, preventing them from damaging your property and improving the aesthetic appeal of your exterior surfaces. Preserves the integrity of your property. While curb appeal is essential, pressure washing does more than just improve your property's appearance. It also plays a critical role in preserving the integrity of the materials used in your building's construction. Dirt, algae, and mold buildup can cause surfaces to deteriorate over time, leading to premature aging and costly repairs. Prevent long-term damage. The accumulation of dirt and debris on surfaces like siding, roofing, or driveways can cause long-term damage if left untreated. For example, mold and mildew can eat away at wood, leading to rot, while algae can discolor and weaken certain materials. By regularly pressure washing your property, you prevent these issues from escalating and protect your property from unnecessary repair costs. Protects surfaces. Pressure washing removes buildup that can degrade the appearance and integrity of painted surfaces, brickwork, stone, and wood. For instance, excessive dirt and grime on wood surfaces can cause the paint to peel, while the buildup of debris on concrete can lead to cracking and chipping. By using pressure washing, you can protect these surfaces and extend the life of your property's exterior finishes. Improves safety for employees, clients, and visitors. A clean property is a safer property, and pressure washing helps eliminate potential safety hazards caused by buildup on your sidewalks, parking lots, and entryways. Slip and fall prevention. Over time, algae, mold, and grime can build up on exterior surfaces, particularly on concrete, pavers, and stairs. When wet, these surfaces can become slippery, posing a hazard to employees, customers, or visitors. Pressure washing removes these contaminants, making walkways and parking lots safer and reducing the risk of accidents. Eliminates debris and pollutants. Accumulated dirt, leaves, and debris can obstruct drainage systems or create tripping hazards. Pressure washing clears these obstructions, ensuring that rainwater drains properly and reducing the likelihood of water damage, flooding, or mold growth. Boosts property value. If you're considering selling your property in the future, maintaining the exterior is crucial for maximizing its value. Potential buyers are more likely to invest in a property that appears well maintained and cared for. Enhances perceived value. A clean, polished exterior makes your property look newer and more attractive, which can increase its market value. For businesses, a well-maintained property can positively influence potential clients or tenants, leading to higher foot traffic and increased interest. Reduces the need for major renovations. Pressure washing helps preserve your property's surfaces, which means you won't have to spend money on costly repairs or renovations in the near future. For instance, by regularly washing your roof or siding, you prevent the need for early replacements, saving you money in the long run. Environmental benefits of pressure washing. While commercial pressure washing offers numerous benefits for your property, it also provides environmental advantages. By using water efficiently, modern pressure washing equipment minimizes water waste while removing harmful pollutants. Eco-friendly cleaning products. Many pressure washing companies use eco-friendly cleaning solutions that are safe for the environment. These products break down mold, mildew, and dirt without releasing harmful chemicals into the environment. This makes pressure washing a more sustainable option compared to traditional cleaning methods that rely on harsh chemicals. Water conservation. Although pressure washing uses water, it is much more water efficient than traditional cleaning methods like hosing down or scrubbing with a bucket. The high-pressure water stream uses less water to cover a larger area, making it an environmentally friendly option for cleaning your property. Conclusion. Commercial pressure washing is more than just an aesthetic upgrade for your property. It's an essential tool for maintaining its value, integrity, and safety. By investing in regular pressure washing, you'll improve curb appeal, protect the exterior surfaces of your building, prevent potential hazards, and increase the overall value of your Austin property. Whether you're a business owner looking to attract more customers or a homeowner looking to preserve your investment, commercial pressure washing is a cost-effective and eco-friendly solution to keeping your property in top shape.